Welcome back, newbie Qers. Welcome back to another episode. Today we are headed over to the podcast studio. We are gonna get a podcast episode or two in. I thought maybe I'd bring you guys along, show you a little behind the scenes, that kind of thing. I'm not sure what Chris has in store for us today. Oh my gosh, I gotta turn. But I figured, you know what? Let's give you guys a little insight to the podcast. You know, let's go for a ride. Let's go see what's going on, and maybe you guys will want to watch or listen to the podcast or watch the podcast. And anyway, we got a short drive across town, and we'll get this podcast going. We are here. Let's come around the backside here. We'll park. Oh my gosh, so rough. And we'll go inside and see what we're going to talk about tonight. I don't even know what we're going to talk about. I don't even have anything planned to talk about. So let's go. Let's go in and see what's up. Hello. Da 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 da. Okay.
Meow.
Meow.
Are you ready?
Right, meow.
Are you ready, kids?
I'm ready. Oh, wait, how's it go?
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Butts and Stuff, a barbecue podcast. I'm your host Chris, here with my co-host Jazz.
You're in the splash zone.
I was gonna get a bib.
You're in the splash. I got a little bit on my arm. I don't know why. I don't have any problems when I crack them open at home, but apparently when I'm here.
That's because you're trying to be dramatic.
Is that what it is? You think it's just gonna put an extra emphasis on that?
I think so.
Okay. We'll go with that. So what's up?
I don't know, I want this warm weather back. That's what I want.
I know, man. Like, I was Saturday, I was like, oh, it's so nice out. Like, I don't want to do anything. Like, I got other things I want to do and hang out in the garage, this, that, and the other, and get groceries and whatnot.
Yeah.
Like the whole family should be.
How'd you get it?
Hey! Put back my microphone.
I had one of
Hey! No, get back.
That's pretty cool.
All right, the podcast is over. Pretty good podcast, I think. I think it was a pretty decent one this time. Headed back to the house. I already had my supper, so this will probably be the it for this one. I don't know. Might have to add this into another video, I guess, and see what happens. So I don't know what you're gonna see next, but I'm going home. So peace out. All right, folks, welcome back. This is just a continuation of the behind the scenes photo. We're gonna grill. I was gonna put some pork steaks on, and it started raining. So good thing I'm on our patio, but if the wind picks up, this might get kind of gnarly. I was watching the radar, and man, the storm's moving in, but it's gonna like go right. Like the two storms are like we're right between the two storms. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, it started raining. Supposed to be some hail and some wind, so we'll see. The grill's fired up. The pork steaks are seasoned. We're gonna throw these pork steaks on, so we'll see what happens. we got these things all seared up, got them nice and seared. We're going to leave them on there just a little bit longer, that way get them up to temp, and then we'll pull them off and go eat these bad boys, you know what I'm saying? The rain stopped, so that's a plus, but it just kind of rained for like 2 minutes and then quit, so I think we're out of the rain for now, or at least I hope so. Alright, that's it. Kind of a weird, random video. Not really great. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to go eat these steaks. So we'll see you guys next week on another episode of NewBeQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I'm really not good at this, but whatever. We'll see you guys next week. Peace. Love you. Bye.